Good morning, children. We are discussing about our second chapter, polynomial. In the previous class, we have discussed about what is polynomial mean, one variable, and types of polynomial are the terms and based on its degree, isn't it? And we have discussed about how to find the zero of a linear polynomial. And if a number is given, how to verify whether it is a zero of a linear polynomial or not. Now we are going to discuss about remainder theorem for polynomials. Okay. Before going to the polynomials, just we are going to discuss about what is remainder theorem. How to find a remainder for a normal number using a division method. Now listen. If you are taking any number, if you are dividing 20 by 4, I am dividing 20 by 4. How we will divide it? 20 divided by 4. 5 4s are 20, the remainder is 0. Okay, here 20 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, and 0 is the remainder. So by normal division method, if you are dividing a number by another number, by normal division method, we can find the remainder and quotient. The same way we are going to do the problems for polynomials. If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, how to find the quotient and remainder using long division method. And here, listen, we are having dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. How we will find all this relationship? So, if we are taking a dividend is 20 is equal to what is the divisor we are using? 4 into 5 plus 0. So how will we say this? This is dividend and 4 is the divisor and 5 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Yes. So listen, 20. This relationship, okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the total value of this relationship? 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 0 is 20. So we are getting the total value of dividend here. So this is what the relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Okay. So we are going to divide a polynomial by another polynomial using the long division method, and we are going to arrive this relationship, and we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Okay. So before moving to the polynomial, just we will see one example. Here, if I am taking a polynomial p of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay. I am going to divide this polynomial by a variable x. Just we are using a variable x to divide the polynomial. How you will divide the polynomial? Listen. So you have to divide the variable to each of the term of the polynomial. You have to divide the variable to each of the term of the polynomial. So how you will divide? X square by x, first term, second term, x by x, the third term, 1 by x. What is the result of this? Here, if you cancel this, the value is x. Here, just 1. Here, what about this? 1 by x. 1 cannot be divided by x. Okay, in case we can't divide 1 by x. So, listen, if you are taking a single variable to divide a polynomial, you can divide a polynomial each and every term by the variable. Okay, and what is the answer? Now, p of x. Here the question p of x is equal to be divided by x. The first term and second term got divided. So, how you can write it? X plus 1. X plus 1. And here we are dividing by x. And what is the remainder? Here, the number, last number constant 1 cannot be divided by x. So, 1 remains that 1 itself. So, it is called as the remainder. So look at the relationship here. P of x is the dividend and x is the divisor, and we got the quotient. Whatever the two terms divided by x, we got the quotient x plus 1 plus 1. So this is dividend, divisor, quotient, and the remainder is 1. Okay, if it is single variable, we can divide term by term and we can get the result. If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, we can't divide each term by term. Okay, so the best way to divide the polynomial by another polynomial is long division method. Okay, so next we are going to see about the general concept of remainder theorem and how to divide a polynomial using a linear polynomial. That means the another polynomial using long division method. Now we are going to see about the remainder theorem for polynomials. If a polynomial is divided by other polynomial, the beginning, the quotient and remainder is that in general how we can say if p of x and g of x are two polynomials such that degree of p of x greater than or equal to degree of g of x and g of x not equal to 0. Here in this first statement, if p of x, we are taking p of x as dividend and g of x as divisor. If p of x is divided by g of x, the condition should have degree of p of x should be greater than or equal to. So listen, because p of x is a dividend, we are going to divide p of x by g of x. So the degree of p of x should be greater than or equal to the degree of g of x. In that case, if you are dividing, we can find the other polynomials p of x and r of x, where p of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. Okay, if you are dividing p of x by g of x, we can find the other two polynomials as quotient and remainder. Generally, we can give the name as p of x and r of x. Now, see the relationship p of x. P of x is the dividend. P of x is the dividend, and g of x is the divisor, and q of x is the quotient, and r of x is the remainder. Okay, so only they have given the condition the degree of p of x. That is the dividend. Okay, greater than or equal to degree of the dividend should be greater than or equal to the degree of the divisor g of x. And what about the quotient? Okay, the quotient is based on the given problem. When you are dividing a polynomial by polynomial, based on the content of the problem, we will be adding the quotient. And what about the remainder r of x? Either the remainder may be 0. If you are dividing a polynomial by polynomial, if it is divided properly, means you will be getting the remainder 0. Otherwise, you will be getting some remainder. The degree of the remainder will be lesser than the quotient. The degree of the remainder will be lesser than the quotient. That is, we can say that the degree of r of x should be less than the degree of q of x. Okay. So, if p of x and g of x are two polynomials, if you are dividing a polynomial by a polynomial, you will be getting other two polynomials, that is quotient and remainder. Okay. Now, we are going to solve the problems based on this relationship. We are going to divide a polynomial by a polynomial, and we are going to find what is the quotient and what is the remainder, and we are going to check the relationship also. So we are going to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, we saw the definition is if you are dividing a polynomial by another polynomial, the degree of the dividend should be greater than or equal to degree of the divisor. Listen, here this is a dividend, the degree is 2, here it is the divisor, the degree is 1. So it is a quadratic polynomial and it is a linear polynomial. We are going to divide a quadratic polynomial by a linear polynomial. Yes, we are going to divide a quadratic polynomial by linear polynomial using long division method. And we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Yes, now we are going to divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. So concentrate on the first term. Okay, if you are solving the first term, automatically the problem will goes on and we will be getting the remainder. Okay, now to find the term, first term of the quotient, you may directly find the term, otherwise you can use a method. Take the first term of the dividend. What is the first term of the dividend here? 3x square. And the first term of the divisor. What is the first term of the divisor here? X. Okay, now divide this. What is the value you are getting? 3x. So you can identify the first term of the quotient as 3x. So 3x. Okay, so this is the method you can find the term of the quotient. Otherwise, if you know directly, listen, here x is done, I want to get 3x square. So which number if you multiply, which variable if you are multiplied, or number if you are multiplied to get 3x square with x, 3x into x is 3x square. Okay, now you have to multiply the term of the quotient with two terms of the divisor. Now 3x into x is 3x square and 3x plus 1 is plus 3x. Okay, we got the two terms. Now you have to simplify this. In normal division, if you are, what do you do here to find the remainder? We will subtract and find the remainder. Likewise, here also have to subtract the terms to get the remainder. Listen, if you are subtracting this and subtracting this, the symbol if you are subtracting should be multiplied with a certain term. Okay, so here if it is nothing else, you have to consider as plus. So minus into plus is minus, so you have to subtract this two terms. So 3x square minus 3x square is 0. You will be getting cancelled. Here minus into plus is minus. So otherwise I am having x minus of plus 3x. How will I write it? X plus into minus multiplying the sign, it will be getting minus 3x. So x means you have to consider it as 1x. So 1x minus 3x, the result is minus 2x. What is the result? Minus 2x. So here result minus into plus will become minus. So you have to subtract x minus 3x. Okay. So the final result is minus 2x. So we are getting minus 2x. What about this number? Just take it down directly. So we are taking down directly minus 1. Now going to the second step. Consider this as the divided. Now consider the remainder what we get as the divided and divide by x plus 1. As like first we did. Consider the first term. First term, what is the first term? Minus 2x. Here the first term is x. If you are dividing these two terms, what is the result we are getting? Minus 2. Okay. So the next term of the quotient is minus 2. Or if you know directly, listen, here x is there. Here minus 2x is there. So what is the number if you put here? Multiply with x, you get minus 2x minus 2. You can directly write it also. Otherwise, if you find difficult to find the number directly, just follow this step. Okay, take the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor, divide it and get the term of the quotient. For the second also, you can do the same process and you can get the second term of the quotient. Now, minus 2 should be multiplied with the two terms. Minus 2 into x. Minus into plus is minus 2 into x is 2x. Okay, the second term, here minus, here it is plus. So minus into plus, first multiply the sign. Minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, as like we did before, we are going to subtract these terms. Listen, we are going to subtract these terms. Be careful while changing the sign. Okay, so listen, already I told that while subtracting, here the sign should be multiplied with the second term. Okay, so minus into minus, it will become what it will be? Plus. Here also minus into minus, it will become plus. Okay, after changing the sign, you do the solve the problem. Okay, now how it is getting? Minus 2x, minus into minus become plus 2x. X minus 2x, minus into minus become plus 2x. So minus 2x plus 2x. What is the result we are getting? 0. So we can cancel this two numbers. Yes, and here minus 1, minus into minus will become plus. So minus 1 plus 2. What is the result of minus 1 plus 2? It is 1. So here it is 1. Finally we got a constant number, which is the remainder. Okay, so in the given question, 3x square plus x minus 1, we are dividing it by x plus 1. We got the quotient as 3x minus 2. What is the quotient? 3x minus 2. And what is the remainder? Yes, so we got the quotient and remainder. How you can write the relationship? Yes, what is that? 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the divisor? X plus 1. What is the quotient? 3x minus 2. And what is the remainder? 1. So we got the relationship that 3x square minus 1 can be given as the quotient, divisor and remainder relationship. Okay. Next we are going to see how to get the remainder. Okay, for the same question, we are going to divide this quadratic polynomial by a linear polynomial without long division method. Here we used the long division method. Without using long division method, how to find the remainder? Okay, and we are going to check whether here what the remainder we got. What's the remainder we got? 1. Whether we are going to check whether we are getting the same remainder in that method also. How? Let us listen. P of x. Consider the dividend as P of x. So P of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. Yes. What is the divisor linear polynomial? X plus 1. You have to find the zero of this linear polynomial. How to find the zero of the linear polynomial? In our previous expression, we solved a problem now. How to find the zero of the linear polynomial? How? We can equate the linear polynomial to 0. We have to equate the linear polynomial to 0 and the value of x is equal to minus 1. So this is called as the zero of the given polynomial. So without using long division, we are going to find the remainder now. So how we are going to find this? We are going to substitute this value x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial instead of x. So substitute P now. Instead of x, I am substituting minus 1. So 3 into minus 1, the whole square plus minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now solve it. 3 minus 1 the whole square is 1 and multiply the symbol. Plus into minus, it is minus 1. Already a constant, minus 1 is there. Now 3 into 1, what is the value? 3. Minus 1 minus 1. If minus minus means you have to add and put the sign minus. So it is minus 2. 3 minus 2. The value is 1. So here in this way we are doing how? We are substituting the zero of the linear polynomial in the variable of the given polynomial and we are taking the value constant as 1, which is called as the remainder. This is called as the remainder. So this both the method we are getting the remainder as 1 and 1. But using long division method means you have to use long division method only to find the quotient and remainder. If you are simply want to find the remainder of the polynomial, if you are dividing a polynomial by another linear polynomial, you should use linear polynomial. If you are dividing a polynomial by a linear polynomial, if you want only the remainder means you can use this method also. Just you can find the zero of the linear polynomial, substitute the variable, and what is the value you are getting, that is called as the remainder of the polynomial. Okay. So next we will see the another example also. We are going to solve our third exercise problem. In third exercise, the problem is based on remainder theorem. We are going to divide a polynomial by a linear polynomial and we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Yes. The first problem, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. What is the polynomial here? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is a cubic polynomial because its degree is 3. Yes. And we are going to divide it by a linear polynomial x minus 1. So let us divide the polynomial and find the quotient and remainder using long division method. Okay. So here we will follow the first step. Here the first step, we have to concentrate on the first term. Already I told that while solving the example, just concentrate on first term and solve the problem. Automatically you will be getting the remainder step by step. Okay. Now consider the first term here. What is the first term of the dividend? X cube. And what is the first term of the divisor? X. So divide the first term of dividend by the first term of divisor. What is the result you are getting? If you cancel this, it will be square. So the result is x square. So the first term of the quotient is x square. What is the first term of the quotient? X square. Already I told you, if you know directly also you can directly do that. Otherwise, divide the first terms and find the term of the quotient. So x square into x is x cube. So x cube. So you have to multiply with both of the terms in the divisor. So x square into x is x cube. Now x square into minus 1. X square into minus 1 is minus x square. Yes. Now listen, what is the procedure here? We have to subtract it. So subtract the first term. It will be get cancelled because x cube minus x cube is 0. So we are cancelling the first term. Look at here. You are putting minus. What do you have to do? Multiply this minus with the second term. So you will be getting the result as plus. Minus into minus will become plus. So 3x square plus x square. 3x square plus x square. Because the sign, there's two signs multiply and minus into minus will become plus. So 3x square plus x square. So 3x square plus, consider this is 1x square. So 3x square plus 1x square is 4x square. Okay. So Get the next term down plus 3x. Now we got some remainder. Now we are going to divide this by x minus 1. Again consider the first terms. Here what is the first term? 4x square. Here what is the first term? X. It is divided. So 4x square by x. If we divide this two terms, what will be the result? We will be getting 4x. So the next term for the quotient is 4x. We have to take plus 4x. What is the next procedure? We have to multiply 4x with both the terms of the divisor. Multiply the 4x into x is 4x square. 4x into x is 4x square. And 4x into minus 1. 4x into minus 1 is minus 4x. Okay, now again we have to subtract and get the remainder. If we subtract 4x square minus 4x square, the value get cancelled is 0. Here minus into minus will become plus. So minus into minus will become plus. So plus 3x plus 4x. Plus 3x plus 4x is 7x. We got the remainder here as 7x. So take the next term down. So what is it? Plus 1. So put plus 1. Again we are getting some variable and constant. So again you have to divide it until you are getting 0 or constant. You have to continue this step until you are getting any constant or 0. Now listen. 7x and divide 7x by x. The third term 7x by x. What is the result we are getting? 7. So the next term of the quotient is 7. So 7 into x is 7x. 7 into minus 1 it is minus 7. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. Now we have to find the remainder. Do subtraction. 7x and 7x will get cancelled because 7x minus 7x is 0. They will get cancelled. What about this? If you are subtracting, what you have to do is minus. You will multiply with the down term. So minus into minus will become plus. So plus 7. So 1 plus 7. What you have to add? You have to add it. 1 plus 7 it is 8. Now we got a constant. It is 8. Okay. After this we can't go on division. We got the constant that is the remainder. Okay. So the polynomial is cubic polynomial is divided by x minus 1. We got the quotient as x square plus 4x plus 7 and the remainder is 8. How you can write this relationship? Means x square x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. The dividend x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, what is the divisor here? X minus 1. X minus 1 and the quotient x square plus 4x plus 7 into x minus 1 plus, what is the remainder we are getting here? 8. So plus 8. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We got the relationship. Now next we are going to verify whether without using long division we are getting the same remainder or not. Because we are dividing by the linear polynomial one, you know. So you have to check up whether the remainder is coming same if you are using the 0 of the linear polynomial in the given polynomial. Okay. So now consider the given polynomial as p of x. Okay. What is the given polynomial? X cube. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. What is the divisor? It is the linear polynomial. That is x minus 1. We have to find the 0 of the divisor. What is the 0 of this divisor? It is a linear polynomial. How we will find 0? We have to integrate this to 0 and the value of x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is called as the 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 1. Now we are going to check whether the remainder is 8 or not. So what you have to do? You have to substitute this value of x equal to 1 in the given polynomial instead of x. So substitute x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Yes, what is the value of 1 cube? 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 1 square is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 into 1, it is 3 plus 3 plus 1. What is the total value we are getting? 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, so 4 plus 4 it is 8. We are getting the remainder as 8. What is the remainder? So listen. For the question they have given a cubic polynomial to be divided by a linear polynomial x minus 1. We used the long division method. Okay, and we got the remainder as 8 and the quotient as x square plus 4x plus 7. And here, without using long division also, we can find the remainder. We did in that method also and we got the same remainder. So if any question if we ask using long division, you have to do using long division only. If the question is based on to find only the remainder, you can, if a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, if you want to find only the remainder, you can use both of this method. Okay, either you can use long division method or you can substitute the 0 of the linear polynomial and simply you can get the remainder of the polynomial when divided by a linear polynomial. Okay, so based on this, we are going to solve some homework problem. You will be getting your homework PDF. Okay, use long division method to find the quotient and remainder of the polynomial. Okay, thank you children.